Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In my first video, I was requested a lot that how I made my desktop look cool. So here is a tutorial. First, you need to just turn off all the desktop icons. Then open your browser. In my case, I am opening Chrome. Here you need to just search pratyushhelps.wordpress.com. This is the website. It is provided in the description. You need to just search for my website, and when the website loads, you will see some pages below it. I will just wait for my website to load. As you can see, you scroll down and here just click on the third page. Then click on this big download button. It will redirect you to another website where you need to first subscribe. This is my main channel which you need to subscribe, and you need to also subscribe my this channel Pratyush Helps, and this is my other channel Pratyush Random where I upload random gaming videos. Subscribe my brother's channel. His link is also given in the description. It's named as Sarthak Pangotra. Then you have to just press that link, and here you will get the link, and this you have to download this zip file. I have already downloaded it, so I will not download it again. Only go into your computer and file manager and go into download folder. This is here. You need to do extract to Windows. The password is all capital Pratyush hyphen help. It is also given in the description. You can copy it from there. Then it will a new folder will appear there. Then from there you have to just select the wallpaper wallpaper. You can see it is already started using the big tool. Then you have to install Rainmeter. It will help you to install that thing which shows the day and date and time. It will install. You have to first at least run the Rainmeter once, but maybe you can install that one. You can just unload all these skins. They are not just required. You need to just install this. This is the Minimal&Elegant skin. Install it. You have to not change anything. You have to just simply install it. It will start installing. It will take a few seconds and it will install. And now you have to on the notification page. You can click on this Rainmeter. And here sometimes the folder does not automatically click from. You can add folder. And then this mon folder will come. You have to click on clock and you have to open it, and there will be clock anime clock folder. Then this is the clock. Today Saturday it is showing there. You can go in setting and do. First you have to click control and just go to this adjustment, and then you have to click control and just press your die knob bell, and its size can be changed. Now I'm switching it off to non-draggable so that instead I don't drag it here and there. Now you can just close Rainmeter, and then now you have to go in the taskbar properties, and then just auto taskbar and apply. It looks a bit more better with this. You have to do it.